Have you ever wondered about the pillow motifs used in the harem? Let's take a look together. In medieval Islamic geography, depictions of animals and humans were considered haram, so floral depictions were made on objects, fabrics, and clothes. Ikat, embroidery on these fabrics, flower figures were necessarily depicted. For example, roses. Since these flowers have represented love and romance throughout history, pillows depicting roses used to adorn the beds and armchairs of the Sultan's second-degree favorite concubines. Since the tulip was the symbol of the empire, the highest-positioned concubines of the harem also used pillows and fabrics with tulip motifs. In the modern world, the only thing we can do is to be inspired by the designs of these harem pillows and produce serious copies. But if you want to take a look at our designs, we leave our store link in the description. We hope it will attract your attention.